How to fix your mobile number is already registered to another phone or device. Well, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the issue of not being able to use the phone number to register your account. Now, if you want to use GCash on another phone or device, then as you can see, you can read it right here. You can only use GCash on one device at a time. So if it says that your account is already registered to another account, your number, then you'll have to first unregister your old phone. Then you can go ahead and register your new phone. Now, how you can unregister, I'll just show you right here. If you still have access to your old phone, you can open your GCash app, go to profile, settings, tap account secure, and then unregister phone. Review the details and confirm by tapping yes, unregister. Complete the process by either taking a selfie scan or entering the OTP. Once you do so, you can go ahead and register on your new phone. So this is how you can fix the issue. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.